The next function I would like to introduce to you is the transcribe function. This feature is only available in Word Online of Office 365. The transcribe function allows you to convert speech into text. For example, you can convert the spoken word into text from a video recording, to use it for a documentation or for the subtitles of your video production. Where can you find the transcribe function? This is located behind the Dictation button on the Home tab in Word Online. Click this symbol and select Transcribe from the context menu. The Upload Audio button allows you to upload an MP4 video file or an MP3 audio file into Word Online. Please note, before uploading the audio, select the correct language. Because this is the only way to ensure that the conversion of speech to text works properly. As soon as you have set up everything correctly, click on Upload Audio. Microsoft Word will now open the Windows Explorer, and you can select your audio or video file. Then click the Open button. Now the audio file is uploaded, and the speech is converted into text. As soon as it is finished, the transcribed audio or video file will appear on the right side. You now have the option to paste the existing text as text only in Word. Or with a timestamp. Insert the text into your Word document. Then you can make the necessary corrections in Word. That would be it for this little functionality that is very helpful.